Here we are in Cassup in County Durham, and I've just pulled up in front of the general dealers, the tiniest little shop. Just have a look in the park. There's a big park down here with an honesty box for fishing. Get a nice view from up here. I wonder what that cable's for. Where that goes. Down there, I can't see where it goes after that, but there's a pond down there. I guess that's the fishing place. But yeah, you get a nice view. You can see all the way over the other side, like County Durham over there, which is pretty cool. I think that's electric pole, I think. Maybe there's a little hook down there or something. But I'm gonna have a little walk around. It's like a sewage place. Don't smell anything, so that's good. But yeah, sewage. That'll be what the electric's for, I'm guessing. For the sewage plant. And I'm guessing after the water, maybe it goes into the pond. I don't know. Maybe it just goes into the water system. I don't know. It might be used as a reservoir. Let's have a tootle down in the little valley and see what it's like. Who's the daddy? Run, rabbit. Run, run, run. Get through that fence where it's safe. There's a weird thing. Well, the rabbits always have white bums. It surely makes it easier to see where you are when you're chasing it. Because this little white thing just like a target. Surely that's not a good, like, nature-y type natural selection thing. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. That's a big gnarly tree. Lots of paths. Where to go? Follow this one. Climb under the prickly branches. See where we end up. Lots of rabbit holes. See if we can see any more rabbits. Look, I found a cool tunnel. I don't know what this was for originally. I don't fancy climbing in there. It's fairly covered up. Interesting. No. How far back does that go? I can't really see. See, I've got a torch on. Can't really see a lot. Yeah, that's cool. Put that back where it was. Yeah. Goes along here. The end of it, is it really short? It was heading this way. That's a straight line. That's the same kind of stone. That was fire marks, but that's kind of a fungus. That never seen a fungus look like that. That's weird. Or a stone as well. What a stone around there. Something was built here. Maybe to do with them stream. Follow the cow tracks, see if they go anywhere. These aren't human trails, these are cow tracks. So they don't necessarily go somewhere. Because they just wander around like idiots. There's a rabbit. Nothing. It's like the Blair Witch Project. I've got a cold. Nose isn't running enough to be all like, oh, I'm scared, I'm lost in the woods. Let's go down here. That's a cool tree. I'm not getting across that. It's well muddy. Stick to this side of the stream. What's this? Oh, spiky. Well, it's not another ridge, but it is a piece of concrete. So stuff has definitely been built along here. More than just what you think. Why is all the things really spiky? I mean, you can't really see how spiky they are. There you go. Everything's like that. All of these. It's just there to spike you and wreck your clothes. And the funny thing is there's trails everywhere, but they're all made by cows. So they don't actually go anywhere. So following the trail is a fruitless exercise, really. I do know I need to go this way, so I'm just heading off this way. I'll get there eventually. But yeah, a lot of the smashed up stuff that'll be off the cows going through. Quite a random place to put cows, but you know, I'm not a farmer.